Act like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, they were cheating a whole damn relationship. And you already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. I know. Some might claim they were together 24/7, that you knew where they were all the time, that you had their location, that they didn't have the time. But I can assure you that's 1000% cap. And not only is it cap, it's a delusion we live with because we don't want to believe that they could be this diabolical. But if there's one thing a narcissist is always going to do, it's have more than one supply. It's always let you down and play both in your face and behind your back. Don't believe me? How about all those random trips to the store for hours at a time? The hidden apps on their phone you didn't know about. The second or the third phone they had hidden in their car. The ways they randomly would talk about that coworker that they hated 24/7. How about their schedule magically changing last minute all the time? The extra time at the gym, the early morning runouts for coffee. There is always time for a narcissist to cheat. Always time to find attention and validation and other supplies. And there is nothing you could have ever done to stop them. This shit was coded into their DNA. And the part we don't understand when we're still in it is no supply is bigger than the fucking program. You included. No matter how much more you invested, how many countless hours of conversation, breakthroughs you thought you had, time spent together, it would have not stopped their insatiable appetite for destruction. And just so you know, this shit had nothing to do with you. What you would or you wouldn't do, love you didn't provide, effort you weren't willing to give. This is their forever search for validation that has more to do with the narcissist's feelings of inadequacy. That's right. See, in the moment, we think we must have been missing something, weren't enough, worthy of the complete attention of a partner. Nah, see, narcissists are terrified of abandonment. And it's the very reason they abandon the same people they say they love. Wait, what? Easier to feel better about themselves when they can have an excuse to cheat, when they can feel justified in playing in your face, when they're impulsive as fuck to fuck anything that breathes, because the program, remember? This isn't always about sex addiction, their unmet needs from you, or the fact that this just happened. Because cheating requires so much fucking time, effort, lying, manipulation, living a double life that you don't fall into this shit. This was an executed plan from the very beginning. Get the best possible partner they could. Have them fall in love with their potential. Have their boundaries broken down. Make sure that they're forgiving and patient, by the way. And then do the one thing narcissists always do. You know, make your fucking life a train wreck of emotions and have you feeling inferior, like nothing you do is ever good enough, and like your efforts don't mean jack shit. And it's all in order to justify their reprehensible, betrayed-filled, immature-ass fuck shit behavior. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired. And as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.